Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Health Channel. Are you constantly running on empty? Do you find yourself reaching for that third cup of coffee or a sugary candy bar just to get through the afternoon? I've been there, and trust me, that energy crash is no joke. Life gets incredibly busy, and when we're juggling work, family, and everything in between, our nutrition is often the first thing to take a hit. We grab whatever is quick and easy, which usually means it's not the best for our energy levels. But what if I told you that you could have delicious, energizing snacks that are genuinely effortless to make? Today, we're ditching the vending machine and the drive-thru. I'm going to share my absolute favorite, super simple snack recipes that will keep you fueled, focused, and feeling fantastic all day long. These aren't complicated meals. They're smart, simple solutions for your busiest days. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to that 3 p.m. slump and hello to sustained energy, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the ultimate grab-and-go snack, energy balls. Don't let the name intimidate you. These are probably the easiest things you'll ever make, and they are packed with goodness. Think of them as tiny, powerful bites of fuel. For my classic recipe, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of rolled oats, which provides slow-release carbs for lasting energy. Then, add half a cup of your favorite nut butter. I love almond or peanut butter for healthy fats and protein. This combination is key to keeping you full and satisfied. Next, throw in 1/3 cup of honey or maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. Finally, add a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 south. Now for the fun part. Just put everything into a bowl and mix it all together until it's well combined. The mixture should be a bit sticky. Then, roll it into small, bite-sized balls. You can even get creative and roll them in shredded coconut or add some mini chocolate chips to the mix. Pop them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up, and that's it. You've got a week's worth of healthy snacks ready to go. Now, for those of you who crave something savory and crunchy, let's upgrade your classic hummus dip. Store-bought hummus is a fantastic, healthy base, but we're going to elevate it. My secret weapon is roasted chickpeas. They add an amazing crunch and an extra layer of flavor. It's so simple. Just take a can of chickpeas, drain and rinse them well, and pat them completely dry. This is a crucial step to get them really crispy. Toss them with a little bit of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, and some smoked paprika. You can also add garlic powder or a pinch of cumin for more warmth. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 200 Celsius, for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they're golden and crispy. While those are roasting, prepare your dip. Spoon some hummus into a shallow bowl and create a little well in the center. Once your chickpeas are done, let them cool for just a minute, then pile them right on top of the hummus. Finish it off with a drizzle of good quality olive oil and a sprinkle of fresh parsley if you have it. Serve this with whole wheat pita bread, cucumber slices, or bell pepper strips. It's a snack that feels gourmet, but literally takes minutes to put together. The combination of creamy hummus and crunchy, smoky chickpeas is absolutely addictive and so satisfying. All right, let us move on to a snack that feels like a treat but is secretly incredibly good for you. The Greek yogurt parfait. This is perfect for satisfying that sweet tooth without the sugar crash. It's all about layering, and it's as beautiful as it is delicious. You'll need a clear glass or a jar to show off those lovely layers. Start with a scoop of plain Greek yogurt at the bottom. I prefer Greek yogurt because it's packed with protein, which is essential for keeping you full and maintaining energy. Next, add a layer of fresh berries. Blueberries, raspberries, or sliced strawberries work perfectly. Berries are low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Then, add a sprinkle of granola for that satisfying crunch. Look for a low-sugar granola, or you can even make your own. Repeat these layers until you reach the top of the glass. Yogurt, berries, granola. For a final touch, you can add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts and seeds, like almonds or pumpkin seeds, for extra healthy fats. The best part? You can prep these in mason jars at the beginning of the week. They'll stay fresh in the fridge for a few days, so you can just grab one and go. It's a balanced, protein-rich snack that will keep your energy levels stable and your taste buds happy. Next on our list is something incredibly simple. But don't underestimate its power. Apple slices with almond butter and a twist. This is a classic for a reason. The apple provides fiber and natural sugars for a quick energy boost, while the almond butter offers protein and healthy fats to make that energy last. It's the perfect combination of sweet, crunchy, and creamy. But we're going to give it a little upgrade. Start by slicing your favorite kind of apple you love, Honeycrisp or Granny Smith, for their tartness and crunch. Lay the slices out on a plate. Now, instead of just dipping them, take your almond butter and drizzle it over the slices. A little goes a long way. And here's the game-changing part. Sprinkle on some cinnamon and a handful of chopped walnuts or pecans. The cinnamon helps to regulate blood sugar, which prevents those dreaded energy spikes and crashes. The nuts add an extra layer of crunch and a dose of brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. This snack is so simple, you can make it in under 2 minutes, yet it provides a complex mix of nutrients that will keep you going for hours. It's proof that you, Dan T, need a complicated recipe to create a truly effective and delicious energy-boosting snack. For our final snack idea, let us talk about something that's both refreshing and surprisingly filling: cottage cheese with a savory twist. Now, I know cottage cheese can be a bit divisive, but hear me out. It's an absolute powerhouse of protein, making it one of the best snacks for muscle recovery and sustained energy. If you're tired of the sweet version with fruit, you have to try this savory combination. Take a scoop of cottage cheese and put it in a bowl. Now, add some chopped cherry tomatoes, some diced cucumber, and a sprinkle of fresh dill or chives. Season it with a little bit of salt and a good crack of black pepper. Then, for the final touch, drizzle a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil over the top. It completely transforms the cottage cheese into a fresh, vibrant, and savory dip or salad. It's like a deconstructed Greek salad, and it's so incredibly refreshing, especially on a warm day. You can eat it with a spoon, or use whole grain crackers or veggie sticks for dipping. This snack is low in carbs, high in protein, and takes literally 2 minutes to assemble. It's the perfect way to refuel after a workout or to get you through that long stretch before dinner without feeling weighed down. Give it a try. You might just become a cottage cheese convert. So there you have it, 5 incredibly simple, delicious, and energizing snacks that you can make in no time. We've covered everything from sweet and satisfying energy balls and parfaits to savory and crunchy roasted chickpea hummus and savory cottage cheese. Remember, fueling your body properly doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It's about making smart choices and having healthy, easy options ready to go. By planning ahead just a little bit, you can completely transform your energy levels and conquer your busy days. I encourage you to try 1 or 2 of these recipes this week and see how you feel. Notice the difference it makes when you swap out that processed snack for something whole and nourishing. You deserve to feel your best, and it all starts with what you eat. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope these ideas help you stay energized and productive. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your go-to effortless snacks for busy days? Share your ideas because we can all learn from each other. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and take care. Bye.